very good day. Myself Chetana Kumari, Department of Commerce, Malagras College, Mangalore. Now let us see the illustration. So I have explained the journal entries in the previous video. Now let us see the illustration problem. Read the question properly. PQR Limited issued 7,000 equity share of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupee 1 per share for the purpose of redemption of preference share. There were 5,007% redeemable preference share of rupees 20 each to be redeemed at a premium of 10%. The balance required for redemption was provided out of profit. Journalize the above transaction. Now let us see the solution. First let us come for the working note. Just see the question properly, read the question properly. According to the question, PQR Limited issued 7,000 equity share of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupee 1. For what purpose they have issued the share? For the purpose of redemption. So in the beginning, what share we had? There were 5,007% redeemable preference share of rupees 20 each to be redeemed at a premium. So that is nothing but I am going to redeem 5,000 redeemable preference share. Value of one share is 20 rupees. So that is nothing but 5,000 into 20, 1 lakh rupees is a face value I have to arrange for the purpose of redemption. Now, at the time of redemption, along with the face value, I am going to give the premium. So, what is the percentage of premium I am going to give? I am going to give 10% premium. So, here 10% is out of what? Out of face value. That is 1 lakh into 10%, that is 10,000. So, in our first working note, first let us see amount required for redemption. So, what is the total amount required for redemption? If I am going for the purpose of redemption, what is the total money I should have? That is face value 5,000 into 20, that is 1 lakh rupees. So this 1 lakh rupees is a face value plus premium 1 lakh into 10%, that is 10,000. So total money I have to arrange is 1 lakh 10,000. According to the Companies Act, if I am going for the purpose of redemption, what organization has to do? So whatever money they are going to redeem, so that money should be arranged. Now what is the money I have to arrange? I have to arrange 1 lakh 10,000. Now one thing remember, face value amount is utilized for face value, premium amount is utilized for the purpose of premium. Now, so after completing the first step, come to the second working note, that is arranging the premium amount. So always arrange the premium amount first. Now we came to know what is the total money we require. We require 1 lakh 10,000. Out of 1 lakh 10,000, 1 lakh rupees is a face value, 10,000 is a premium amount. First I am going to arrange the premium amount. So once if I completed with the premium amount, then I am going for the face value. Now arranging the premium amount. So here I can withdraw. So for the purpose of arranging the premium, so what are the source of arranging the money? Either I can go for securities premium account, or I can go for profit and loss account, or I can go for capital reserve. That is nothing but divisible profit. Now read the question. So in the beginning part they have said 7,000 equity shares are issued for the purpose of redemption. That is nothing but they are going to do the external arrangement. So in the explanation part already I have said there are two types of arrangement. One is internal arrangement, the other one is external arrangement. Here according to this problem they are going for external arrangement. So if the fund is not arranged in an external arrangement, then they are coming for internal arrangement. So here they are going for external arrangement. That is nothing but they are going to issue 7,000 equity shares to the public once again. That is fresh issue they are going to do. PQR Limited issued 7,000 equity share of rupees 10 each. That is nothing but 7,000 into 10. That is 70,000. At the time of fresh issue of share, I am going to collect the money from the public is 70,000 as a face value. Along with the face value here also I am going to collect the premium amount. That is nothing but I am going to collect 1 rupee from the public. So 7,000 into 1, that is 7,000 rupees as a premium. So as I said, premium amount can be utilized only for the purpose of premium. Face value amount can be utilized only for the purpose of face value. Now come to the second working note. At the time of fresh issue, I am going to issue the fresh issue of share. 7,000 shares are issued. So company collected the premium at the time of fresh issue. So collected amount is credited to which account? They are going to credit it for securities premium account. So that is 7,000 share issued. Premium collected is rupee 1 per share. That is 7,000 into 1. that is 7,000. So total money collected as a premium is 7,000. So full 7,000 is credited to which account? To securities premium account. So according to the arrangement, what is the total premium required? 10,000 is required. So what is the money arranged? 7,000 is arranged from securities premium account. So what about the remaining amount? Remaining 3,000. So this 3,000 is not arranged from external source. So this 3,000 I have to arrange internally. That is nothing but I have to withdraw the money from profit and loss account. So out of 10,000, 7,000 I have arranged at the time of fresh issue, that is external arrangement for the purpose of premium. So remaining 3,000 I have arranged from internal source. So write 3,000, remaining 3,000 is arranged out of profit and loss account, that is internal arrangement. In the arranged internally. So external arrangement I have arranged 7,000, internal 3,000, total amount arranged is 10,000. So here I have cleared or I have settled with the premium amount. Next come to which money? Next come to face value. So what is the total face value required? Total face value required is 1 lakh rupees. According to the fresh issue of share, what is the total share issued? 7,000 share issued. So for one share, what is the money collected? 10 rupees is the money collected. So what is the total money arranged from my external source? 7,000 into 10, that is 70,000. Next, come to the next working note, that is arranging the face value. So what is the total face value required? 1 lakh is the total face value required. Read the question. So at the time of doing an external arrangement, 7,000 equity shares are issued. 7,000 equity shares are issued. Value of one share is 10 rupees. So 70,000 is the total money I have collected. This is the face value. Now consider only the face value. Already premium is settled. So once again, don't go to write the premium. Consider only the face value. Total money collected at the time of fresh issue is 70,000. Now write what is the total face value required. Total face value. Total face value required for redemption is 1 lakh. Out of 1 lakh at the time of fresh issue, what is the money collected? 70,000. So that is external arrangement is done. External arrangement. That is nothing but fresh issue of share is done. What is the money collected? 70,000 is the money collected. What is the remaining 30,000? So remaining 30,000 I have to arrange internally. So as I said, there are two sources of arranging. One is internal arrangement, the other one is external arrangement. Here in the first point, they have done the external arrangement. They have collected 70,000. So here the fund is not sufficient. What is the remaining amount required? 30,000 is the remaining money required. For this 30,000, what organization will do? Organization will go for internal arrangement. So internal arrangement is nothing but I am going to withdraw the money from my divisible profit. So which are the divisible profit account? One is profit and loss account. The other one is general reserve. The other one is dividend equalization fund. So these are all called as divisible profit. For the remaining money, what organization can do? Organization can withdraw the money from any of the account. So here in the question they have specified the balance required for redemption was provided out of profit. That is nothing but if any balance is required, so I can withdraw the money from my profit and loss account. So now what is the money required? 30,000 is the money required. So remaining money from which account I can withdraw? I can withdraw it from my profit and loss account. So remaining amount is withdrawn from profit and loss account. So here I have completed with the procedure. That is nothing but I have completed arranging the money for the face value. So here arranging the money for face value as well as arranging the money for premium is completed. So once if I arranged with the redemption amount, what is the next step of the organization? They can go for redeeming the money to the public. So once if the money is arranged, easily the organization can go for redemption process. Redemption process is nothing but organization can give the money to the public. So here we completed with a working note. Now according to the question, we have to do the journal entry. So it's better if you go for the working note first, then come for the journal entry. So next part is journal entry. So first you have to write the heading properly. Journal entries in the books of PQR Limited. So PQR Limited is the organization. So next let us see the format. Always your first column should be date, even though if date is not given. So you have to specify the date column. Date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So these are the 5 different columns when we do the journal entries. First, let us see the journal entries which I have given. So in the journal entry which I have given, the first step was conversion. So here I write the first step. Information of date is not given. Just come for the particulars column. So our first step is conversion. So conversion is nothing but partly paid shares are converted into fully paid share. According to this question, there is no question of partly paid share. So here all the shares are fully paid. So ignore the first step, come to the second step. So what is our second step? Our second step is fresh issue of shares. So here in the problem, there is a fresh issue of share. That is 7,000 equity shares are issued to the public and fresh issue of share. So here what is coming in? Cash is coming in along with the face value. Organization is collecting premium amount. What is the premium collected? 1 rupee is collected. Value of 1 share is 10 rupees. Premium is 1 rupee. So total money collected is 11 rupees. So what is coming in? Cash is coming in. So I'm writing cash or bank account. 7,000 shares are issued. So here I'm writing 11 rupees because 10 is a face value, 1 rupees is a premium, total amount is 11 rupees. So total money collected is 77,000. Now what is going out from organization? Equity share is going. So 2 equity share capital. 7,000 shares are issued. What is the face value? 10 rupees is the value of 1 share. That is 70,000. Along with the face value, even the organization is collecting what? Premium. So money is already credited to our securities premium account, as I said. So 2 securities premium. What is the money collected? 1 rupee. So 7,000 into 1. That is 7,000. So total money collected is 77,000. You have to write the narration being fresh issue of share is made for the purpose of redemption. So you can write being fresh issue of share is made, or you can write fresh issue of share is made for the purpose of redemption. So here completed with the second step. Come to the third step, that is arranging the premium amount. So our third step is sale of asset. Our third step is sale of asset. Now read the question whether there is a sale of asset. So here in this problem there is no sale of asset. Ignore the third step. Directly come for the fourth step. That is arranging the premium amount. Arranging premium amount. See the working note. So from which account we have arranged the money? One is external arrangement, the other one is internal arrangement. In the time of external arrangement, I have withdrawn the money from my securities premium. Whatever money collected at the time of fresh issue, the money was credited to securities premium account. Now I am withdrawing a money from my securities premium account. From which account you are withdrawing? Debited. So we are going to withdraw it from securities premium account. What is the money? 7,000. 7,000 was credited. I am going to withdraw 7,000. So what is the total money required? 10,000. 7,000 I have withdrawn it from securities premium. So as I explained, the remaining 3,000 I am going to withdraw it from my profit and loss account. That is 3,000. So now what is the purpose of doing the arrangement? So your purpose is premium on redemption of preference shares. Premium on redemption of preference shares. This is the purpose. Credit the purpose. What is the total money? Total money is 10,000. Write the narration being premium amount is arranged. Next, here we completed with the fourth step. Come to the fifth step, that is creation of CRR. What do you mean by CRR? That is capital redemption reserve. So here external arrangement, whatever external arrangement is there. So 70,000 I have arranged externally. According to the question, I require 1 lakh rupees. Out of 1 lakh rupees, 70,000 I have arranged externally. For that entry is given. So only write the entry for the remaining amount. What is the remaining amount? 30,000 is the remaining amount. According to the question, from which account I can withdraw the money? I can withdraw it from my profit and loss account. So from which account you are withdrawing? Debited. For which account you are crediting? Credited. From which account you are withdrawing? From my profit and loss account. What is the money we are going to withdraw? We are going to withdraw 30,000 to CRR account. I am going to credit it for a temporary account, that is CRR account. 30,000 being arranged amount transferred to CRR account. So here we completed with the fourth step. So our last step is final payment. Under that, due entry. First write the due entry, that is redeemable preference share capital, So here along with the share capital we are going to give a premium amount. Write premium on a redemption of preference shares. Preference share. Who is receiver? Shareholder is the receiver. That is redeemable preference shareholder. Redeemable preference shareholder. Now, at the time of doing a redemption, what is the money we are going to give as a face value? We are going to give 1 lakh rupees. What is the premium we have agreed? 10% premium, that is 10,000. Now, what is the total money shareholder is going to get? 1,10,000. He did not receive the money. We are just giving a due entry, that is being redeemable preference share capital and premium amount is transferred to shareholders account. This is the narration. Next is a payment entry. What is going out? Cash is going out from the organization. Who is the receiver? Shareholder is the receiver. Whatever goes out, credited. So who is receiving? Debit him. That is redeemable preference shareholder. Redeemable preference shareholder to cash or bank account. At the time of final payment, he is going to receive 1,10,000. Write the narration being the payment is made. So this is all about the 5 steps. First is conversion. Second one is fresh issue of share. Third is sale of asset. Fourth one is arranging the premium amount. Fifth one is creation of CRR, and the last one is final payment. So this is all about the problem.